that crazy critter. So the spring's right around the corner. It's actually meteorological spring now, but I think next week after spring actually starts. With these raised flower bed deals, planter beds. We're gonna put some sunflowers out this year. I got a couple in the backyard too. I mixed and matched the sizes. So this one fits in the front here. I've got bulbs that come up every year. We're gonna probably, I don't know if I can replant them now, but turn that into a raised bed. That's one short. That is one extra or two extra. And then I got a little shorty one there. I got two standard 8-footers in the back that are gonna get sunflowers as well. I'm not a gardener. We're gonna try it, see what happens. I bought a pack of seeds off of Amazon, variety. After the last frost, hopefully we'll have some dirt in these things, and I guess you plant them, plant a few seeds, a week or two apart, so that way they kind of almost go all summer long. But this bush here, that's a 84 3/4 ton Chevy with no lift, and it's quite a bit taller. It will soon be covered in those pink flowers. I will try to get a video of that. It is quite impressive every spring, I think. When I moved in, I think it was just a ball down below, then they had some sticks, and then there was a little ball up top. But it was getting pretty wide, so every couple of years I come in and I trim it back, but I'm not worried about the height. I let it grow up. But it is loaded with buds. There's one there, one there, one there, two there. I mean, it's just all over 3 of them. So it's about to take off. Just open her up on this side. Yeah. So we got some gardening stuff to do. I want to get some pavers put here and kind of make a little walkway out this way. As I'm trying to remodel the whole house, and I'm trying to do yard work as well. Great. Alrighty. Yeah, the cherries and whatnot are starting to blossom out. We had snow this morning. Not real cold, but it's getting to be about growing season. The grass is already starting to take off. If it wasn't so wet, I'd try cutting it, but this thing needs to be shaped up. I trimmed it back pretty hard last year, but it's trying to refill in a few spots. Get her trimmed back a bit, or may just take it out. We'll see. Alrighty, beautiful Saturday. I think tomorrow's supposed to be wet. We'll see. Might be a garage day tomorrow.